we'll guide you through how to rename notes in Obsidian. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Obsidian and load your vault. Once your vault is ready, locate the note you want to rename in the file list displayed in the left sidebar. After finding the note, right-click on it to open the context menu. From the list of available options, select Rename. Wait for the file name to become editable directly within the sidebar. When the text field becomes active, enter the new name you want to use for the note. After typing the new file name, press Enter on your keyboard to save the change. Take a moment to verify that the updated file name now appears correctly in the sidebar. This confirms that the note has been renamed successfully. Alternatively, you can rename a note while it is open in the editor. To do this, open the note you want to rename and look at the title displayed at the top of the note window. Click directly on the title field to make it editable. Once the title is selected, either highlight and replace the existing title or delete it completely before entering a new one. Type the new title you want to use for the note, making sure the name accurately reflects the content of the document. When you are finished, press Enter or simply click outside the title field to apply the change. Wait a moment while Obsidian updates the note name in the background. After the update is complete, verify that the new title appears correctly at the top of the editor and also within the file list in the sidebar. This confirms that both the note title and file name have been updated successfully. If your note is connected to other notes through internal links, it is a good idea to check those links after renaming. Open any related notes if necessary and confirm that the links continue to function correctly. Obsidian normally updates internal links automatically, helping prevent broken references when a note is renamed. Once you have verified the new title, confirm the updated file name, and check any important links, the note has now been successfully renamed and is ready to continue using within your vault.